Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Brush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Beautiful day here in Colorado. Just got the first of the 4 Seminole flat tops out of the shop. Got her blinged up, cleaned up. Got some extra cab lights on there. We added 2 extra cab lights and then made them all clear. And when you turn them on, they're obviously amber. 14-inch polished drop visor. We did the breather lights, front and rear and internal. We did the cab lights and sleeper lights, all LED, all the small button LED, and all polished stainless steel. This one's radiant red metallic with white diamond metallic. It's a beautiful color. Try and see it there. That red is just beautiful against that white. Sometime I was going to put a border on that, maybe like a chrome border between the two, a small pinstripe of chrome, but I'm going to let whoever buys it decide what they want to do with it. I love this radiant red. It's a little brighter than a maroon, but darker. It's darker than a normal red. So this particular truck, well, all 4 of them are 280-inch wheelbase. Got a 150-gallon tank on this side. Maybe it's a 110 on the other. It's got the toolboxes. Just absolutely beautiful trucks. Do a quick walk around this way. We didn't do it yet, but I was going to paint the back of the headlights to match the fender. Again, I may leave that excuse me, for whoever buys it, decides what they want to do with it. Got a master disconnect. Excuse me. Medium depth tank with a polished stainless steel cover. Yeah, got a 110 polished tank on this side. Storage underneath the bed. Bed there. These we did not do S-bar heaters on them, but if you want it, we can add it. Does not cool the sleeper, but it'll warm it when it's cold. We did the painted vents so we don't get any of that pockmark and pitting from the mag chloride. Toolboxes, grab handles there, 6 load lights, and then on top left there, that's your radio antenna, and then in the center of the cab there, that's or the center of the sleeper, back of sleeper, is your CD antenna. A real clean look. Get them off the mirrors. Your air and electric back here, and then we got your jump posts there. So if you had to jump a pony motor for a low boy or something like that, you've got it. Real quick, real easy. 30-inch Hodge-built quarter fenders, all polished up nice. Did LoPro 24.5s on this one. 285 75R 24.5. Did the round hole wheels instead of the Peterbilt, just to change it up, just to do something different. Peterbilt Low-Air Leaf suspension. We did LED lights, backup light, doing the rear cross member there. Kind of our typical deal. We did full lockers on this truck, 3-way lockers, and how you can tell is right here. That's your air line to lock them in. So you can lock in the front axle, the rear axle, or both. And the inner axle also. 36-inch air slide, Holland FW35 fifth wheel. I believe this truck was the mule, so it's got grease on it. 280 wheelbase, 336 gear ratio. 150-gallon tank over here. Polished after treatment. And then do the LED lights, the small ones there. Button lights come under the cab and down underneath the sleeper. Just a real traditional look. take a look under the hood. Here's the hot side of the engine. Turbo there. 14-inch drop visor. And front and back of the air breather here we got the lights. And they've kind of redone how they do the interior. It's a little disc up in there. So it's just a little disc of LEDs. So I need to turn that on and can see how that looks at night. We do air ride steer axles on these with dual leveling valves. We did disc brakes all the way around. I didn't show you that on the rear, but we do have disc brakes on the rear also. Apologize for that. Flip that up. Air ride steer axle, Davco fuel filter. Remote lube. It's a 565 2050 torque. And LoPro 24.5 wheels and tires. There we go. Take you inside. Platinum interior. Got heated seats right here. Black leather seats. Yeah, this one was the mule. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got full gauges on this. No navigation. Since we had the three-way lockers, that's these three switches right here. Obviously, we have to push these two over. One's a PTO switch, other one's your air suspension dump. So since we have three here, we can't really do the full 23 gauges, so it takes up a couple of spots there. AM/FM, CD player, Bluetooth, 18 speed. Fire it up for you. Yeah. There's the look. Looking down that nice long aluminum hood. Factory installed CB. Power windows, power locks. And then your 72-inch flat top there. You do have a small ridge in the flat tops that you step across, unlike those 579s. The closet over here, storage up top, Peterbilt comfort control cab, power outlet. You got a little more storage here. Got the business center here. She pulls out. Lots of storage. For a flat top, it does have a lot of storage. Little cubby up there, keep some things. Got some LED lights. Back window, and it does come with a cover, so you can cover that up. And then we do the dark tint. This is still kind of old school for Peterbilt, but place for a TV in here. You can plug it in. Like to see them put something over there for a flat screen. But anyway, I thought I would give you a quick run around on this. I'm going to step out and show you the door tag on the door. I forgot to add the weight to the video. I want to make sure I always put that on there. Power mirrors as well. Forgot to mention that. 18,566 pounds. I don't know if that's going to focus on that. There it is. 18,566. So, just thought I'd give you a quick rundown on the first of the 4 that's out. Absolutely gorgeous. 2021 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood. Seminole paint. That's what they call that paint job. And that's a factory paint job. We did not do that at a body shop. That's straight out of the Peterbilt factory. It's radiant red metallic with diamond white. Radiant red with diamond white. If you would, please subscribe. Love to have a few more subscribers. And always throw down, and if you're not from the States or whatever, where you're from, throw that in the comments, because it's just very interesting to me. I think right now Bruce has the farthest one away, and he's from the South Island of New Zealand. So thanks for watching, Bruce. We appreciate everybody in the States and outside that's just interested in Peterbilts for watching. I appreciate that. But if you can subscribe, I'd appreciate it. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. If you want a price on this, you can email me at couchk, so it's C-O-U-C-H, then the letter K, at rushenterprises.com. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you.